punuan na kung dughan ng kasing-kasing nga umabot din niya iyo. Makiduyog hini nga dako nga importante nga selebrasyon para hini niya mga kabataan. Ang pagtutgo, nasa ring hira is the noblest profession. But remember this, mga teachers, you are all game changer. What you do every single day is changing life of people that you don't know. Because of the sacrifices nga iyo ginahalad kada adlaw para hininga mga estudyante. Because of teachers, educators, and administrators like you that speaks about life. Because of people like you, our country has a fighting chance. And the next generation has a fighting chance. Dear tired teachers, damo pat iyo isarabmit. When things go wrong, and you don't meet with the expectation that you wanted to be with your students, and sometimes loans are piling up versus your commitment and your wants and needs. Remember this. Don't forget, because of you, may ada bata nga maaram magsurat. Because of you, may ada bata nga maaram mag-ihap. And because of you, may ada bata nga maaram mag-ambisyon hinmas taas pa kaysa niya kinikita yan na. Tapon hit imo abilidad ngan kuha hinlamrag hakahitasan.